Alright, today you are going to learn what CPA marketing is, how to use it, how to make money from it, what you should never do, and mistakes you should avoid, and things you should do correctly to make it work for you. Alright, this is not all these random videos you have watched on YouTube or all these unnecessary stuff you have done before. I'm going to give you a real strategy that is going to help you generate massive income from CPA marketing. So what exactly is CPA marketing? CPA marketing is a business model that allows you to generate income through browse. Like when someone sign up through your link, you get paid. You get paid from 0.50 to 1.50 or $2. Alright, and when the person also buy the product they sign up to, you also get paid higher in commission. Hope you understand now. So pay close attention, pick up a pen and a paper so you can understand it massively now. So before I walk you through step by step for now, you can get started right now. Let me show you how much I made yesterday. Alright, from this platform. Okay, you're wasting my time. So you can see I made $72 yesterday from CPA marketing. What do? I actually get people to sign up to a link, and I actually get them to buy. And if they did not buy, it's up to them. And if they buy, I make more money. But the most important thing and the concept of CPA marketing is to get people to actually register through your link and get paid. Alright, so now that you know this is work and it's going to work for you and you understand how to start using it to make money, what exactly are you going to be doing? Pay close attention now. So what will you be doing now? The number one thing you are going to do is to pick an offer you will promote. Like I say, this work on any platform I mentioned earlier. You can pick any of those and use it. So once you have come, you can see there are many offers you can promote. Look at all this one that you are seeing percent. They only pay you when you sell. They don't pay you when you just promote when someone sign up to your link. So you are going to pick the ones that pay you when someone sign up to your link. Like this one's $100. They pay you when someone sign up to your link, and they also pay you when those people buy. Alright, and always be checking your link before you promote, because there are sometimes they will remove the sign up so that even if person sign up, they will not pay you. Always check it. Alright, so there are other companies you can also promote. There are companies you can promote. Let's filter these companies to the ones we want. Alright, let's go to finance. I love finance. You can pick any one of your choice, but I love finance. That is where my own money is. So I will also advise you go with finance too. So I think I'm having a network issue that I'm loading. Alright, so I think the network is kind of stressing me here, but let's continue. So you can see, like I said, look at this company. They pay you up to $20. They pay you up to $50. But let me show you the ones I actually promote, so you can just follow my footstep to save your time and stress. Some of this company are actually wasting my time. They don't want to load. Let me show you. Alright, so let's go to this one. You can see these accounts. Alright, so accounts is going to pay you when someone deposit. Alright, when the deposit now, accounts is going to pay you when they're going to pay $50 when the person sign up. When they the accounts, so you can see this company now, accounts is going to pay you when someone made a deposit of $50 to their account. So when they make their first deposit, accounts is going to pay you when someone make their first deposit. Alright, they're going to pay you up to $50. Alright, so now you are a beginner. You might get someone to register, but you don't know how to get them. Maybe they are not using the account at the moment and you want to get paid. Here's what you're going to do. Account is going to pay you up to $20 when someone sign up. This is the sign up bonus. Alright, so they don't need to sign up for you to get paid. What is accounts? Account is a micro investing apps. Alright, so that help people save and invest in the future. So how are you going to be doing this? What will you be doing? What strategy? Now you know this business actually works. What strategy will you be using? I use Telegram. Alright, so what will you be doing in Telegram? Let's say you gather people in a channel. Alright, don't use group. You're going to use channel, and don't worry, I'm going to show you how to set up your account properly, how to do everything. Everything has already been recorded in a video tutorial for you. You only need to just follow the step-by-step guide. Like, look at this is one of my channel. All right, I use channel. When you gather people in this channel, all right, your own is to be gathering people in this channel. Whenever you drop a link and you tell them what they will get, some people will sign up and you get paid. So your own is to be looking for link you will drop in that group so that they can be signing up and you get paid. All right, so that is it. And don't use the same link for them. Be using different. You can see this platform alone. Even if you're using this platform alone, they have several links. Sorry, they have several offers you can promote. So this is one of the best strategy. Most of these people will not tell you. All right. So the reason why we'll be using Telegram is because if you're using WhatsApp now, before you know, WhatsApp will ban you, and all those people you have gathered in a group, you have lost them forever. So this is what we don't want. That is why I will bring you here to Telegram, so that people who don't have Telegram, they will never be able to contact me before WhatsApp will even ban them. So that is it. And this is, sorry, I'm taking a whole lot of time to explain this for you, but I just really want you to understand before you get started. And if it's not the kind of business you want, you can just back it up, blah blah blah, and so on. So this is how it works, and this is everything. And I've already recorded. You can go through the remaining of the material so you can understand it for yourself. Go through it, how to get started. I have already explained everything. And again, I've shown you how to also make money in Naira. You can also watch the second video at the bottom of this one, how to make money in Naira for yourself. Everything has already been recorded for you. So all you need to make money online are already here, except you don't want to make money online. So what will be how to get started? Everything I've already been recorded for you. Just go through it. I wish you all the best. Good luck.